So we're still out. Hindi namin nahanap yung place namin. So, ito muna yung dinner. We're waiting for our nag-hotel na lang kami.
Kanina pa yung nag-
Whoever that 31 Chander Road is.
Highly recommended. For future victims.
Sino ka man? Kakaloka. Welcome to another vlog, and this time I'm doing a Singapore vlog. I'm going to Singapore with Universal Studios. So I'll be bringing you guys with me. Delayed yung flight namin, so andito pa kami sa airport. Waiting for... Our flight was supposed to be 1:25 and it's already almost 2 p.m. So I'm with my friends. It's my college best friend. Ang dilim, best! Ang dilim to yun kasi against the light. Ina. Okay, later guys, kapag hindi na sila agad. Finally, boarding the aircraft. So, we're just gonna wait for everyone to board and we're off. Wait, I'm gonna show you my other friend. Kapes! Ay! Nagayos na siya. Nagayos na siya. Pagkakasettle na lang daw siya. So tayo mag-a-adjust. Yung vlog yung mag-aantay first. Game lang. My other friend. Kapit lang siya dyan.
Kaya na naman, ba't naman blur ka po? So parang tagal natin yung blur.
Teka lang,
the struggle of taking family group photo. So I'm just gonna rest during the flight and see you in Singapore. Finally here in Singapore, we're waiting for our luggage. Got mine already, so I'm with my college friends here in Singapore. And pupunta na kami sa apartment namin. I think we're gonna just get a Grab or Uber, tapos dinner. So yeah, see you there!
3 hours later.
So, nawawala kami. Hi. Oh, ba't biglang tahimik kayo?
Biktima lang din po ako.
So, kanina pa kami.
President Duterte.
Baka pwede niyo pong...
Baka po pwede niyo ipa-deport to.
Ay, nako.
Staka mo kami.
So, apparently, binook namin... Binook namin to sa booking.com 31 Chander Road. Tapos pagdating namin doon, restaurant siya.
Bakit money ko, guys?
Tapos nilipat kami sa 414 something road. Pagdating namin dito, restaurant pa din siya. So, wala na kaming titirahan tonight. Pero, Kerry, happy pa din kami. So, ililipat kami ng hotel ng booking.com. Hopefully.
Yes.
Getting lost in Singapore!
At least nakapag-tour na tayo.
Oo, galing kaming Little India. Ngayon nasa Chinatown kami naghahanap ng...
Baka hindi ka marinig sa Marina Bay tayo ililipat.
Wow!
Level lang.
Ambisyosa! Marina Bay?
Baka hindi ko marinig na sa Marina Bay or Ritz-Carlton. Dalawa lang yung tatanggap sa akin.
Ritz-Carlton talaga. Wow! Ritz-Carlton talaga.
Or ibabalik tayo ng Pilipinas.
Good for the photo. Di ba ba yung chant?
Paano sa chat? So, wala pa kaming dinner. Anong oras natin?
10:33 na. 11 PM ako kumakain sa amin, kaya okay na.
Ito lang yung dinner na.
Tingnan mo ko. Okay lang.
Sa vlog yan ha. Huwag kang arte ha. So, booking.com helped us to get another place that we can stay in since medyo namotus kami dun sa pinok namin nung una. So, we've been looking for our place for 3 hours now. Twice na kami nag-grab. So, hindi ko alam. But we're going to a hotel now finally, thanks to booking.com for refunding our first booking and paying for the difference of first booking from the second booking. So, yeah. So, we're loading our bags now on our third Grab ride for tonight.
Kaya pala talaga. Saan?
Hi vlog.
Pangalan.
Hi vlog.
Uy, Vivo.
Ang siksikan kami. Kasi ang dami namin luggage. Pero finally, papunta na kami sa hotel.
Ay, Diyos ko. Baka ay, Diyos ko. Kala mo hindi sa kanya. Silang minutes pa.
10:42 PM na wala pa kaming kain.
10 lang? Okay, sige.
Diet kami. Or more like namumulog.
Sure, natatay na ako. Sure.
Ay!
Lahat na ng hotel.
Ito yung hotel mo, Karma ko good.
Wait lang, huwag ako patawanin.
CR ka na naman. We're here. Found a place to stay.
We're now welcome in Singapore.
Thanks to booking.com for helping us out. But whoever that 31 Chandler room is.
Highly recommended. For future victims.
Sino ka man? Kakaloka. So we're finally here in Mustafa Center. It's actually one of the, I'm not sure kung meron pang iba, but it's a 24-hour mall, Mustafa Center. So yeah, we're gonna head in there kasi kailangan namin bumili ng adapter. Diba? Para sa curling iron at saka sa blower.
Okay, kain na.
Ganito pa ng itsura niya. Nakakaloka. Ano to? Adapter lang hanap ko. Wait, di ko sure kung pwede ako mag-video. So, bye guys. See you later. So, I'm here in Mustafa. I'm looking for an adapter. I need yeah. Meron? Okay, ang galing ko na iwan ko yung adapter ko. Hindi ako makapag-edit ng pictures. Kasi edit raw, so hindi ako pwede mag-transfer ng
Ito, connect to iPhone.
JPEG.
Kaso walang USB.
I finally found it so I can edit my vlog. Yes. Kakain din kami. Anong oras na? Ng 1 AM. Dinner. Day 1 and we are here in... Nasaan na tayo?
Marina Bay Sands.
Marina Bay Sands. Sorry, kasi nag-edit ako ng photo kanina papunta dito.
Gusto ko yung isang building yung LB nila.
Oh, yung dala kong outfit. Your photos. So, saan tayo? Bakit tayo nag-iikot?
Museum. There.
Where?
Ano mo lang?
Still day 2, but I changed my outfit. This dress is from Ropa.ph, which is my own clothing line, so you can get yours there. It comes in 2 colors and 2 sizes. So yes, support you guys. We're just gonna walk around the city. Sobrang relax lang kami. Hilig ba kayo sa maanghang? To the bridge. Anong tawag sa bridge?
Singapore Bridge. Singapore. Mema.
Eating Mac Spicy wrap. Sana may ganito rin sa Pilipinas. Waiting for my friends. They're there. Breathe. So we're going to Clark Quay. Yeah, so inaantay namin yung hinahanap namin yung bus. Hi. We're on our way to Clark Quay. 4 stops lang ah. High Street Center tayo bababa. Itong pen namin.
So, nandito kami sa Clark Quay. The usual thing. Ayun na ba yung... Ayun na, sweet.
Walang respeto to si Angel, oh. May naghahalikan dun eh. Oh, di na nahiya.
All for the gram.
Go sex bomb, Angel!
Uy, 60! Camera 360 ka ba? Nahilo ko. Sa first out of the country namin.
Cheers!